All right, here's my shop. Dirt bike, Ducati, Sherco's Trials bike, pipe threader, vise, whiteboard, garage fridge, Graham Jarvis, stereo, parts cleaner, ultrasonic cleaner, Buddy's box, speaker I haven't hung up yet, belongs up there. Workbench, working on 2 fuel pumps right now for the race car. I'll show you that. My box, it's what is it, Homak? Screwdrivers, and wrenches, and pliers, and sockets, and big wrenches, and pneumatic stuff, and extra wrenches and torque wrenches. With those crow's foot, pry bars, scrapers, and a whole bunch of blow molded stuff. Oh, drills, punches. More fab stuff, overflow parts, more parts, more parts. It's like an electrical drawer, a bottle opener drawer, some wrenches and files and brushes. It's my brake drawer. More blow molded parts, disconnect, air hammer, I think the thread repair kit, stuff like that. Miscellaneous junk, radiator picks, and the little Wiot screwdrivers and tire irons, nut drivers, another screwdriver set, overflow, impact wrenches, and big sockets, extensions on the bottom. Specialty tools, 7-liter clutch tool, fork seals, Ducati parts, 5/4 cam holders, 5/4 spring removers, hammer drawer, more blow molded cases, compressor. So valve cover I polished up for my MG. Let's see what we got back here. Winter tires for the dirt bike. There's a Buick V8 aluminum block for the MGA, spare MGA motor, motor for my MG TD, spark plug blaster. Here's another trials bike. You gotta have 2 because nobody has them. So if you want to ride with somebody, you need a buddy bike. This is the race car I'm working on. Belongs to a neighbor. She lives about a mile away. Was her father's 48 TC. Polished up that valve cover for her. And this is where the fuel pumps go. Also did a master cylinder. Rebuilt the rear cylinders and the rear wheels. Let's see, here's the dashboard. The little racing windshields on there. Here we go, single SU carburetor with headers all wrapped up, and that's a supercharger. See over here, got my tire machine and wheel balancer. It's the sandblast cabinet, and another push around cart. It's my wife's MG, it's a 60 MGA. blah, 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 blah. Friend's CB360 she left over here. Spare motor for that MG drill press. So this MG I bought in Colorado. It's to replace the body on mine. Welding stuff, welder, oxyacetylene, argon, gas mix. This is my MGA. This is the one the V8's going in. Engine stand, engine crane. It's one of the speakers. It belongs up there. Flat panel. See, upstairs, kind of unfinished, but is what it is. Bang head here. So yeah, I gotta bring sheetrock through that window maybe in the spring. Finish this up. Oh, foam insulation, car parts on racks so I can push them around and they get in the way. It's one of those, you know, these blue things. I got the wall downstairs. I'm gonna bring the wall up. So, you know, parts and stuff and spare parts for that MG. There's a fuel tank and a couple windshields. And there's the solenoids for the fuel pumps. I'm up here painting them because it's raining out today. So, all right, I'm looking forward to seeing your shop tour. Check ya.